Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the video's visibility and that captions aren't already hidden. Once confirmed, open your browser's developer tools and keep the network tab active. This lets you capture subtitle requests. Next, load the video and toggle captions to trigger subtitle files. If nothing appears, install a subtitle downloader extension or use a dedicated site that fetches hidden closed captions. Make sure to select the likely spoken language, so the player requests the right transcript resource. Once the player loads captions, filter network traffic for VTT, SRT, time text, or caption endpoints. This reveals the subtitle file URL. You should right-click that request and open it in a new tab, then save the response as VTT or SRT. Those formats preserve timestamps. If the network shows JSON fragments, reconstruct them into a single subtitle file. If no caption file is present, extract the video's audio and run a speech-to-text tool to generate a transcript with timestamps. You finish by converting and cleaning the transcript. Strip HTML cues, convert VTT to readable text or SRT, and tidy timestamps so reading is smooth. Then proofread for misheard words and add speaker labels where useful. This improves usability for captions or summaries. If you encounter blocks, try an alternate browser or a VPN to bypass regional restrictions, or download audio only and rerun transcription. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cache and force reload the player to ensure caption files re-request correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.